Effective communication is crucial to obtain expected outcomes in negotiation. Join me today to discover what is it that negotiators communicate or not, as well as how to better frame messages in negotiation. In essence, negotiation is a way of communication. Communication processes, verbal and nonverbal, are key to achieve negotiation goals. First, let's review what negotiators communicate. Negotiators provide offers and counteroffers. While doing this, negotiators say what is it that they want, and when counterparts refuse to give so, negotiators adapt initial solutions or proposals communicating counteroffers. Sometimes, although not always at the beginning, negotiators communicate the reasons or motive why they demand something. These are called interests, and when people pay attention to them, often they are the way to close win-win deals. Negotiators also communicate information about results. Factual negotiators use these for logical reasoning and argumentation. Facts are crucial to make validated decisions in negotiation. When negotiators explain social reasons, they expect others to understand and to take this into consideration. This is often the case of emotional negotiations. Keep in mind, not all negotiators using social reasons intend to manipulate, at least not consciously. Sometimes this is just a reflection of our human nature, which makes us vulnerable to troubles or difficulties for which people need help. Finally, negotiators communicate information about process. For example, when, where, with whom, and how the negotiation will take place. Keep in mind that process is important to achieve goals. Well-trained negotiators analyze communication of counterparts and put a lot of attention on their own. How consistent are the stories counterparts tell? Are they willing to adapt or not so much? How much to say and how much to keep? When is the right moment to reveal information? All these are decisions of well-trained negotiators. Communication includes verbal and nonverbal. On verbal communication, we include language, logic, semantics, style, and syntax. On nonverbal, we refer to kinesis, the way people use their bodies to communicate, and those emblems people use to replace or accompany verbal communication. Also, things such as physical touching, interpersonal distance, display of affect in public, and the way people look. Now we can continue with a technique of negotiation called four-step framing of proposals. First, the negotiator determines specific goals he or she wants to get from negotiation. Second, a SWOT analysis, strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats of counterpart is made. Third, an assessment of counterparts' values and beliefs should be done to make sure inappropriate proposals are not offered to the other party. Finally, integrating results on steps 1, 2, and 3, the negotiator formulates a simple, vivid, and evaluative statement. Negotiators should practice how to acknowledge and actively listen to others, since passive listening can be confusing.